Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust the mopping water level on your Aqua 10 Ultra. You can adjust how much the water is used in order to clean on your DREAME Aqua 10 Ultra, and to do it, click on this button right here. Make sure it's set to custom, not clean genius, and when it's set to mop, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming, you'll have Mop Wetness Adjustment, and you can change it to 1, which is going to be slightly dry, or all the way up, which is going to be 32, and it's the most wet mop. And it also says that if the mop wetness level reaches or exceeds level 27, the maximum mop washing frequency will adjust automatically, and that makes me explain the mop washing frequency. You can set it to area, time, or room, and after finishing cleaning a certain area from 10 to 25 square meters that you can adjust yourself, it will return to the base station and clean the mop. So it continues cleaning the other areas in your house with a clean mop. You can also set it instead of area by time, and you can set it to after 10 to 35 minutes of cleaning, it will return and wash the mop, or by room, which means after finishing a room, it will go to the station and clean the mop, wash the mop. But as I said, if it's in the most wet, it will automatically adjust the mop washing frequency. Standard is 16, and I'll leave it on there for now. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.